In the last lecture, we talked about the definition of cybersecurity. Now, let us have a look at the different types of cybersecurity. Well, what is network security? The first type is network security. We all use internet today, right? Even you are watching this online course using the internet. Internet works as a network of different protocols. It is a combination of small networks and everything. In order to protect the network from cyber attacks, network security is in picture. So network security compromises of different security protocols like the IPsec protocol, which is very common. It again makes use of encryption and decryption, that is the cryptography, digital certificates, user account management, SSL protocol, TLS, VPNs. All this comes under the network security. So the domain which looks after the security of networks is known as network security. Next is application security. Now many people, including us, use different applications. You use mobile applications, you use different apps, whether it is Mac or Mac iOS or Android, whether it is Windows application or a device. So every application also needs to be secured. If you're using an e-learning app, that e-learning app is going to store your data. So in order to protect that data, the application must be protected. So application security basically deals with all the factors that are required for an application to be completely secure and which can help to secure the data of people or the users. Next is system security, which is like operating systems or firewalls or antivirus. Now, many of the employees will have a great amount of network and different operating systems in their company. So in order to protect those laptops or protect those devices, systems security is used. Physical security, as we had already discussed in the last couple of lectures, physical security deals with checking if the security guard is in place, or are the data centers properly protected, is access control mechanism properly installed, are the clean desk and clear screen policies being implemented in the organization. So all this comes under the domain of physical security. Next is personal security, wherein identity access management is one of the major areas into picture. So whether the employees are you using the systems properly, if they are using properly, what is the password management policy, how well is the account of the users being managed, this comes under the personal security. Organizational security, so in which business continuity management is one of the important factors. How organization is trying to protect its asset, whether the regular audits are being carried out, in what way the organization is implementing the security controls. All these questions are answered in organizational security. Then comes secure code development. Now this practice has been recently gained momentum because what developers earlier used to do is they just used to develop a random software using the code, but again the code has to go through the quality checking process, the testing process, again alter the code to make it more secure. So this secure code development makes the code more secure right from the beginning. So secure code development is therefore directly related to the application security here. And last is cloud security. We all know that cloud has gained momentum in the last decade. So cloud security is very important because most of the people have now started saving their documents, their data, their photos, their videos, everything on cloud. So that cloud must also be protected, right? That is why Google Drive, Azure, Amazon Web Services have large teams of professionals in the cloud development model to specifically secure the cloud. Now, these are just the types which I've just told you as a basic introduction, but again, there are many other types of securities. For example, asset security, asset management, again financial security, monetary security. So all these securities are also into picture, but for this course you just need to have the basic idea of these types of security. Great. In the next lecture, we'll go through the history of cybersecurity. We'll understand how this cybersecurity word got formed and when exactly did it start to, have the security need for organizations right now. Great. Keep the momentum going. I will see you in the next lecture.